3D printing is revolutionizing laboratory diagnostics by enabling the creation of highly precise diagnostic tools and devices. It allows for the rapid production of customized lab-on-a-chip systems and microfluidic devices, enhancing testing precision and efficiency. These innovations support personalized medicine by tailoring diagnostics to individual patient needs, leading to more accurate and timely results. The technology also reduces costs and waste by minimizing material usage and supporting prototyping and iterative design. Through 3D printing, laboratories can swiftly adapt to emerging medical challenges, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in diagnostics and paving the way for future breakthroughs.